Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to back up Shopify store. Let's get started. So for example, you head over to your Shopify editor right here and you change some few things just like this. So for example, let's try to change a few things that we have right here right now. So let's select the image on this image banner right here. Then as you can see, this will change the progress of our actual image banner just like this. So this looks like this right now. So you can head over and save that progress. Now, what you can do next is you can back up this progress if you're actually thinking of considering of changing a few things, but you don't want to affect the thing that you have just edited. So what you can do is you can click on this three dots right here. Then from in here, click on this download theme file. Then click on this send email right here. Now this will send the backup that we have on our Gmail that we have registered on Shopify. So it's been sent. So let's head over to a new tab and let's open in here our Gmail. And now on this Gmail that we have right here, we should be able to see the actual backup that we have created for Shopify. So just head over and then just refresh your site if you haven't seen it yet. So once it's been added, as you can see in here the theme export. And you can head over and then just download this by clicking on the Steam export that's been highlighted. And then as you can see, this will load like that, but in a few seconds, it will download just like this. Now you can head over and see that it will be downloaded. And if you want to restore this progress right here, what you can do next is you can head over to your Shopify, click on add theme right here, upload a zip file, click on add file. And then from in here, just head over and then copy this file that we have in here earlier and upload this. In that way, we have now created the backup and we can restore it however we want it to be. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.